We got Possum over here pushing it around.
What's up? Combine 100 bushel wheat in Colby, Kansas.
Probably don't get any shorter either. Thank God. Does this combine typically lose signal when you guys are unloading on the go? Oh, at least about every hour. 4 or 3, about 5 times an hour. What is it when you're unloading?
Give me that.
Yes, it does.
That's what I was telling you the other day, Andy. It was just doing it when I wasn't even unloading. It would just lose signal. The day that we started with the 9120, when I started, you know, before you guys got up here, that day it was doing it.
It only does it to me when I'm by Josh, though, which is weird tonight.
I thought he ended that conversation. This wheat is ridiculous.
Rocking the autosteer, an 8120.
Possum does a little bit of everything. He drives the buggy. Most of the time, what do you do?
Horse truck.
Where you?
Buggy, front combine.
And where are you from?
Maryland, up on the mountain.
They were saying he lives so far back in the sticks, he had to pipe in sunlight.
That's right.
Hey, what did my combine get new today?
Your combine got new back tars, and they are sweet.
Tars. He said tars and far.
Tars. Yep, that's right. Rides like a Cadillac. We got a cornfield Cadillac now.
Somebody felt compelled to stick a corn stalk out here because everybody can't wait to shell corn.
Like we're eating, breathing, and sleeping wheat.
Having a good time?
Oh yeah, loving life. I wanted to do this for a long time.
Where'd you get that sick hat?
Pearl Harbor support. This is our what? Third state: Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas.
We'll see ya. Alright, we're going to sign off. You got anything else to say?
Happy all. Get back to cutting wheat.
To all the YouTubers?
Yep. More than I had her.
I've been running out from the wheat field.
Water thought he knew what he was talking about, and I said, okay, I'll go see you.